Dagi sepangut kinong shnong ke jela, kebelas akut ke jela West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh ber Assam, nagajing terekam ke hukum pakang ni shnong kita wakari nega national lockdown. Keliok bonwan pai bagi lawan pai, mentag singi balang hakonong bak Shillong. Kini gibreu haswa bakin mi ni kini jela kila pendap kejing syak mi ibnia, bad onda kila poi bernihat. Kila pendap biang ya kejing syak mi ibnia hakabedai, bad ka kot kakya ajungki. Kajingi awan paying jika ni ginong shnong bas akut cebar ke jela kelo urlong hadin kejing shimrai jong sarkar jela ban ailat no yaki begin wan paying. Habai keren begini buan pai kila penpau bagi lamat kejing namar bagi lawan pai hi syaka jela bat kam shimladan kanu kejing penbiang na jing penkrek kerpang ke sarkar ki bos bakin wan pai. Bat kila ongru bakim shimlayo yakabam hashtag lenti. Bat kila hab ban bam deki biscuit tang ban chute akpo. Hendrai kila penpau pat kejing songo katok ani kebelerap ban penbiang yaki arteli ki bos na Kolkata ban wan pai Shillong. Bat kila penpau ru kejing songo yakawai kedukan hanong po kabela pensongja bakin yok ban bam halenti ban latnya kejing yap tangan na bakim shimlayok ban bam tikena la arsngi. Katkum kejing tip balayok lum leithu batang hak sngi balang kilawan poi khatsan teli ki bos hakanong ba Shillong. Kibaluan ban bu kinong shnong kejela kibala sakut na kejela West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, bat Assam.
Ni wana po kagata actually ni ningkong ni mota baka sponsor ka government tangba like on a journey we got to know ba actually kadai tang for 20 students who got standard over there okay kidai na po jantia lo bro khoi ti niru ni haban ni actually ni la register okay online registration tangba ni kem pario any news from our government okay for these 20 students who got stranded kadang tu ki request ye kini ya USP jong East Jantia Hills semua hi organize kini Ukraine berkini ki napo ki in charge of Megala House. So I'm so thankful kong Emi but thank you but Emi dan tatyang kini ki yarap have ki drivers jong ki berkot ki co-workers apo Megala House ki yarap hangi ki ibam the whole day but ki bon hak sponsorship jong ki ru Biki Arab nangta na po West Bengal ru ki Arab haingi namar bakani ka bus bingi wan ru kamdei jong ka Meghalaya transportation kadengi na po West Bengal te alor ni ru ki Shillong by log ni koi hangni lang bakini because actually ki sponsor hit na from East Jantia Hills that SP because of these 20 students who got stranded in Kolkata they didn't get food for so many days ki khimyo bam khimyo ye but ki supply ru pro khoi jong kong emi na po Meghalaya House ki habane ai jing ba me ki dekila i weda ki last of hoisha kisa arrange kani ka bus nang tu try ki haban request ki government jongi nang ni tinangda kini ki nodal officers kisa phone yangi but ki kwa aban tip sha ki phone yangaru in which condition I am for 2 months ngaru ngalong jobless but 2 months nga khampe ka renru ka tu 3000 banki ai ki government yangi ru ka turungi haban si no hongne ni khemyo free kani bingi wan ru ni haban si to 3000 fooding ru ni yo nang ni nang te jing yarap khindian but bon pre kan ni rubingi bam hina ladie tementan ru feels difficulty namangin the one hangni ngimlong kumbangin long welcome like the other states ngilong one as if we are criminal out here the people they are staying away from us ni kani kalong ni one nang te kanung ni like ni face bon ki problem haka bus ru bangan travel hi da ka bus are made are singi kamlong ka bus so krembam khamle ki student nang ni kinang ki one very healthy nang te da poi ni bon ki blood clot ya ngo in kong Maggie ru auntie via support yangi to all our journey we haven't take responsibility marway dan marway tang mai every people we haven't support yangi but ngaro ngasu haban ya rab lang i namar ba ngimdon idea ngimdon i mai via rab yangi to all this journey but kalong ningi poi yang ni gi yo siki difficulties namar baka hidon ki police na nong po ki file se ka case hi tu kong ba ai ba mingi namar ngi ikena angni ki bon students da when walking people itang full 5-6 people the rest all kids student nang ne na 15 you want 2 buses but you maintain with social distance nila we have been told na do na po Meghalaya House along very strict ngimla ngin shong ka way ka sin ni shong way breo linga apoy ni ikena kila thangan kila long pluma ki khemyo ja la kanus ni la long
ni day ban shong shwa till the end of the month and when they said that ngi la long so disappointed mar ngitip ngi don snong ki brio mano bam pa wan snong na jong nrei pa de da kjing le yarap jang I kong emi ba kjing yarap jang I ba mai who support kjing ya keren ka jong I ba kjing pendiang ka jong I hado ba udan brio ubalala ban penyo wat ka half rate ya kani ka bus ka bangiwan iku kerteng jong de percent to but ESP jong ka East Giant Hills I take care yang I but ilasna yang I ka group by in watch yang I ki travel baro ka that we are safe and sound that we reach here hoy kalong ka be bangin wan mangi tang para kan thai bangin wan nang theng I sudan ki senrang tang ar langot bagajani kalong very difficult bah ka bam kamdan ka kilak hanglot baro te adi ente ngi sultanat bakani ka government ka jongi kala ai habakado ka pediang yang I bangi wan sini te ka ai lad yang I bangin wan kiu sini te ka kota ka terms and condition ka ba bu yang I ko bangin quarantine no kata naturally ni dai man follow ba kata but ko magala guide ini khna ru ngong after this though we test it negative every one of us but still don't take it lightly pidai man quarantine any problem pentip penai tetang ketangan ong yifi ngam dan banong sibon tengah sungu banang ni sakhamat long ba ka government ro kan yarab lem ni kiti kena ki bang standard chati namar ba mla hi banin one kit sisen one kit namar tang bangi yo alan kani ka bos kadi namanta kitu ki arko armon ngila yo pendap lem mangi khnang ba utu brio basio ro unum khia palat yo ngila yo sio lot ya kata hatungi wan seneru ngam kwa ba kinong ba kumta kenya gijinglong brio baro ngila si ki brio kim tep ha kinong kitu kilawan ki banang tu kilawan ra jingpang to kam day please ngiru ngilong safe and sound we are very safe and sound kumbaki kitiang ngiru ngitiang iklamon sani bangin wan bangila ya ja da kai bangin wan hair solution em namangidang long healthy tagadang yon poison kabahanong po kalungkom ni namar ki kana armian arsngi iklambam ja syo kat bangidang wan ka jani ngai ini ki kana iwei imkaran syo iwei la le talat iwei la komni ngong pe ha ngin pat poi pidai banyak khalan ngong ki haden nang ta dangela poi hang the nang po pade tangong ni kat ni bangin ya poi spot selong ya khai ya panglut te ngai ngangan si ithu ko wi dukan ja ngan su lai kerpat ikani dukan ja hato ka ai ja ne em ingi na request I rap yang I ban play yang to ya kata ngasmusun ipan set yang I kata kaja ndrei ha kapor bi la don kata kaja ru ngelen tingi I bakal adap kata kaja ka tele kila kum bam no yang wat nung song kum ni kum mang lai kai na do bandang ni ngong wat song kum ni ki khlem bam syo tangom ki bam yo bam khili song no sakali ngin pak no ya ka tang kum ta ban ni semongo ye itu kong ru namar ye kai ko bai la le lada le itu kong ngam tharai ni la ru tang mangin keran kom ni ngem don bor so sisa te ni semongo nrei ngim dei bangi pen khen ya kata ka an ka baki bu nrei ni ha kata ka jung thangan ka baki khana kila subat ya ko kila thangan tengah kom ka kami na don ki kon na sem ki kom ki kon la jong na dei em man ke khia ngadai em man kit khia ngalai kerpat kan yaki te habaila yarap long ngasngongo ndrai ban ong pada ngasmusi ba ngani osmo long bai ti kong pada bi insha don kata kan ka action nang tai ngasmusi kan ya kata long ba lesi enda ka jingker parit ka jongi kan ka ja kum ta lesi I rokum ka mensim brio ban yarap kan tenga kermen banang ni sakhamat te hiru in kan ma bi num le so yeno ba isu kermat kerpat I bor ba lor bikin sausan lem kan ya kan ya bai nai don kan no ko ba in khang ye ke jak ko ka jong kan ngar masmusi kan ya kata namar boro nge kamai la ka jak ko impario jala asni ni khna marsun point te kele bamja ki complaints ki dong nang ko na ko nong ko ki kom ba pim bnai yo ibi kila tha kila long restless kini khna school ki yara be ki na cha kila wan yam ti pe yo ibi kila shong to I one word ibe no khna yong ki to ki kila da khat ka ja ki maka bam padep le no ni kata kita kena maintain with social distance minta pingi yang ang niru we are so disciplined we maintain with a social distance tambah still along we feel humiliated and very disappointed with our government namar nginda wan hang ni we are not welcome at all ni ngim yang madong sedong lot barkaniru ngilut lot na ladi bro ke along without job and all ki student kim dan pisa kim dan ye tang katang solong kya jingmut namar bandong ba ka government hi kadi ban le yangi bar ngi kendo unfortunately hangte ha ko minin janmin ngi kendo sa ko ka bus na po Madhya Pradesh ye ki tur ki student hi ki khna school ki basa jingai pala ban Kolkata ki la da yo ka sponsorship na ka government Meghalaya ka bus jong ki ru kadi Meghalaya transportation ka bangi na ko Kolkata so many students ki dang don stranded hangte Kolkata mentaru
ka state ru ka Kolkata West Bengal ru em kamnum kitu ki government kimnum take interest in nama vingi outside state ki haban prakhache ki brele jong.
Well, the situation in Calcutta, everyone knows, is very tense there. And people of Meghalaya were looking at the government, what government can do. And of course, the day by day, the news that we were getting, it was not satisfactory. Ultimately, it was Meghalaya House, from Meghalaya House, Kong Emi, then Bamak. And we have to thank SP of East Jayante Hills, Vivekananda Singh Rathod. He has gone all the way. He in fact sought help from his friend Prashant Sinha Roy, and they managed the bus. They paid because this bus it's very costly. They paid the entire amount and they brought us here. It is not from the government side. Government Bahak has provided us food, and some Mahavir Seva Sadan has in fact arranged the food on the initial day, on the first day. But later on, it is SP who has connected with all the, even in Siliguri and even in Kokrajhar area also. So everywhere there were, we have to, from Sri Rampur, we have to appreciate that SI Daimari, he arranged cakes and all. So ultimately it's the police who has stood by us. And that's why we are here. And when we reach Sri Rampur, proper sanitization of the bus was carried out. Then interstate transit permit we got there. And with proper norms, because we thought that it is necessary that we should maintain social distancing. And we were very careful that we should not go and mix with other people, because we know how is the situation there. Since from March itself, all of us have kept ourselves quarantined. We have not mixed with the people. Same way we maintained and we reached here.
Okay. Did you find any problem or face any difficulties during your travel from Calcutta to Shillong?
Otherwise, only the difficulty was, of course, it's long way. We had to sit and we have to travel. Main difficulty we find as soon as we reached Barnihat. We had to wait for hours. I understand this is the system, but I think that proper management, the thing will get solved. Then in Umiam, I don't know, initially it was said that from health department side came. Later on it was said from DC side. I don't understand if Barnihat is also in Ribhoy and Umiam is also in Ribhoy, so why different? Why DC side, why health department side, why separate? It is really because we did not had food. Some of us, they thought of having food in Nongpo, they faced problem. So we did not have food. We are hungry, we had no food. And very limited water also. We cannot get down and get food also.